Well everyone, as you can see from the title, we are lucky enough to get our hands on an Ascended Heroes ETB, which actually isn't releasing until February 20th, so we're going to unbox this. And we actually have a bunch of other Ascended Hero products, like the new Gym Leader one right here that has 2 packs. We also have the tech sticker product right here, which we're going to open in this video. And I recommend getting subscribed because we have a bunch of other goodies that I'm going to be talking about and opening up in videos over the next coming days. So definitely get subscribed because this one is the one that I'm going to save for last. But stay tuned, everybody. But without further ado, let's get this thing unboxed. Look at the product list. Look at the card list because I don't know too much about these cards that are coming out, the artwork, the illustration rares. So we're going to look at this, learn this firsthand together, and go from there. So without further ado, get subscribed and let's get into it. Well, alright everyone, I'm extremely excited to crack this thing open. Like I said, in this video, we're going to be cracking open the Ascended Heroes ETB. This is a regular one, not the Pokemon Center one. I was able to order a few of those, but those are back ordered, I believe, until February 20th. And then we're going to open up these two as well, just to kind of get an idea of all the different products, because there's a ton of products in Ascended Heroes. There's no booster box this time around, because this is kind of like an intermediate set. But again, let's open this one first so we can look at the product list and the card list. But if we flip this around, everything that you would expect out of an ETB is here. You have your 9 packs, you have your energy cards, your sleeves, your dividers, everything that you would need, your die, your coin, and your Ends Zekrom. I forgot that the Zekrom was the actual promo in this, and this card is sick. I bet you that card in a PC is gonna go crazy. So let's crack this thing open and leave a comment down below if you guys were able to kind of get any of these on pre-order. Like I said, what's currently released right now, so I believe January 29th was the release of the tech sticker collection, where you can get the, I believe the Ghastly one. I think there's another one that you can get, and then the ETB, as well as the other one that I'm going to open, is going to be available on February 20th via pre-order. So definitely check your, your Targets, your Walmarts. They're having their own type of releases and things like that. But let's crack this thing open. And like I said, the first thing we're going to do here is check out the actual booklet right here, the player's guide, because the player's guide is going to kind of guide us with everything. But the artwork is cool. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but were you guys into Mega Evolutions? It's kind of a little bit past my times in terms of the games and stuff like that. Obviously, I know about them and stuff like that, but this is all relatively new to me in terms of what to expect from an artwork perspective, but then also just from the actual Pokemon themselves. So there's a bunch, like we got Mega Meganium. I'm excited to see. This set is supposed to be pretty gigantic. I mean, it's supposed to give Prismatic a run for its money, which I don't think I'm going to be master setting this one, and it's very rare that I do, but let's look at the actual card list here in terms of the different rarities. So you have your standard set, you have your standard set foil, you have your parallel set. So for instance, Erika's Oddish has a standard as well as a parallel set. So I'm curious to know what that looks like. And then you have your standard set foil, you have your common, uncommon rare, double rare, ultra rare, mega attack rare. So that's going to be a new rarity, as you guys can see right there. And then also illustration, special illustration, and then mega hyper rare. So I'm curious to know what the actual mega attack rare is going to be. It's probably the one that has the attack rare, or like the kaboom and the comic book kind of font going across them all. But as you can see, we have another Mega Charizard in there. I bet you that EX is going to go for a decent amount of money there, which is going to be fun. I'm not going to put pricing up because, again, these cards aren't really available right now. So we're just going to open this for fun together, see what we got. This Pikachu EX looks very familiar. I'm excited to try to get, I think my pull or my chase for this one is the like derpy looking Pikachu, which I've seen kind of around Twitter over the last coming days and weeks, especially the Japanese version. Here's the Mega Gengar EX. It looks like the same one that was in Phantasmal Flames, but let's see exactly what we have here. We have a lot of cards in this set. I mean, we're at 76 in terms of, before you even get into the actual rare ones, we have all the trainer cards. It keeps going. I mean, we have Team Rocket's Ariana. I mean, this one is one that was around for, again, a lot of these were, I think this one is part of the Team Rocket one. Destined Rivals. So there's 217 normal cards, and then you get into the illustration rares. I mean, look at that Tangela. Beautiful Tangela, the Numel, or Numiel, however you guys say it. That Psyduck, I've seen this one around a ton. So we're still going through these. Let's see, I'm curious to know what those other rarities are. The Togekiss is cute, right? We have the Mimikyu that people really like. And some of these other ones, I don't even know. Like, I don't know what this Pokemon is over here. But this Medicham, I think, looks sick. But we keep going through. So this is what these other rares that I mentioned were earlier. I believe they were the attack rares, so these are going to be awesome to see. The attack rares, which I'm sure the biggest attack rares are going to be the Mega Gengar. Then we have the Mega Dragonite, the Mega Meganium, which is kind of like a redundant thing to say, Mega Meganium. And I didn't even know there was going to be gold cards. So you have a gold Mega Charizard and then a gold Mega Dragonite as well, with this one I think being everybody else's chase. But mine, like I said, I want this Pikachu EX or this Pikachu EX. I don't know why. This one just looks amazing. It looks like I found him in Viridian Forest in Pokemon Red Blue. But this one right here is the one that a lot of people are going to like just because it's like a funny artwork. But then you have your Mewtwo EX as well, which is Team Rocket. So there is going to be Team Rocket cards in here, which is interesting. So in total, there is 295 cards in total, and then that's not even accounting for all the different variations of these cards. So we're looking at probably like a 500 card set. And then here is, like I said, the promo. But that was a long kind of look through the actual booklet itself. Let's crack open the actual box. So here's the box. We're gonna open this up, and like we saw with this new version or this new kind of era, ooh, the coin is lost in here. Put this off over here. But we do get that new insert, which keeps everything a little bit more organized, but this fell out first, so this is going to be that Dragonite, the Mega Dragonite coin, if it can focus. Cute coin, it is plastic, so it's not like the Charizard one. You have your sleeves right here, very cool. And they do look frosted in the front, so to each their own, and ooh, this thing looks sick. Can you guys see that? Look how beautiful that looks. I can't tell if there's a little dot on the print, on the whitening, but then you have, let's crack this open and actually see what we got. The first opening that we get. Woohoo! That's so nice. I mean, this is incredible that this is a promo. So, again, these ETBs are going to fly off the shelves, and I think this promo has a lot to do with it, in my opinion. Very, very cool card. And Zekrom, the back of it also looks beautiful. We're going to sleeve this thing up, and it's going to be the first quote-unquote pull that we have all day. Kind of put this in the back here. What a beautiful card. You have your energies. You see here, you have your die, which is now in this little plastic baggie, and then your 9 packs right here. So let's put this all off to the side. So this is what the artwork is. It looks like the artwork is the same across the board, so there isn't anything special. There isn't like an art set or anything like that. And we're just gonna kind of crack these open and see what we get ourselves into. With the first one, the inaugural Ascended Heroes pack opening. Let's see what we get. Again, pull rates could be all over the place. I've seen people already open, especially some of the tech sticker ones. People have gotten their hands on like 100 packs just via tech stickers. So let's see. And again, this is pulling a little bit of nostalgia in terms of going back to Gen 2 and stuff like that. But we have the Totodile, Pokepad, Team Rocket's Diglett, Wurmple, Bennett, Drampa, Urbane. Interesting. Okay, so I wonder what this means, what kind of artwork this is, because you see there's a energy on here, like the strength energy, but that's the Railu. A Mawile with a Pokeball. So again, there's going to be so many cards to collect. And then we have the Marcargo, regular rare, energy, code card. So first one in the books. Let's see exactly how many cards there are to actually find around here. And we continue. So hopefully this is a nice fun video for you guys to check out. But again, leave a comment down below what your chase is going to be for this set. I'm excited to see what people are going to be pulling moving forward. But we have Erika's Bellsprout. It's kind of like this cool combo set that has a little bit of everything. It's got trainer cards. It's got, you know, gym leader cards. It's got the Team Rocket. We got the Tepig, the Pancham. You know, it's got a lot of like cards that were there in different sets and stuff like that. But also, obviously, the new ones. So this one's going to be the Ponard, again, with the Steel Energy. Then we have the, I think it's Evolution, right? Yeah, the King Bambit, and then Togekiss as a regular rare, and then the Energy. So again, let me know what you guys' chases are. Let me know what products you guys were able to secure. Like, were you able to get in these tech sticker packs? I think Walmart and Target has a lot of them. So again, check your local retailers, check your local card shops as well. I'm sure they're going to have something going on when it comes to checking these cards out and being able to get them. But that's our Charmander, our Psyduck. I mean, some of this artwork is beautiful. I mean, look how nice that Psyduck is, right? Obviously, Meryl, a Psychic Meryl, which is nice to see. Stunfish, Dustox, Pangoro, Team Rocket's Transceiver, the Leaf Energy Dustox. Ooh, Team Rocket's Dugtrio, and Reshiram, and then Hollow Energy. So far, 0 for 3. And this is going to be, again, probably one of the harder ones to master set. Prismatic was one of those crazy ones, and then there was, what was the other one that was kind of tough to master set? I forget. But I do know that Prismatic was one that a lot of people tried to master set and probably failed doing it because there were so many cards, so many variations, And I'm not sure if there's gonna be any God packs in this one. I'm still yet in my entire life, I've never pulled a God pack. Look at the Bennett, the Drempa. If you guys have ever seen Hotel Transylvania, you guys would know. Ultra Ball, Reverse Hollow, the Pancham, and our first DX, Cinderace. Okay, look at that. Beautiful card. We'll sleeve that one up. I'm just excited to be opening this kind of stuff. It's always fun to be able to get my hands on stuff early. I know people, they really try to get their hands on this stuff and wait in line and stuff like that. And then you got to deal with people on Facebook Marketplace charging you $1 billion for a product that's only $50. But again, I'm most excited actually for this one back here, this premium poster collection. But that one doesn't actually release, I believe, until March. So we'll kind of open that one up a little later. But definitely get subscribed, like I said. We have the Ralts right here, beautiful little artwork, Tadbulb, Pignite, Carbink, Heliolisk, Delcatty, Shuppet, Okidogi, Fire Energy. And we continue here. And let me know what you guys' favorite set of this new Mega Evolution is, right? Because of course we had the first Mega Evolution set, then we had Phantasmal Flames. I was actually able to pull that Fire Charizard, or the Mega Charizard I mean, and I got it graded, it came back a 9, it's such a cool card. And now we have this one, this 2.5, and like I said, there's no booster box with this one, it's just a bunch of different products being released. Oh, that Pikachu is sick. I might even just sleeve this Pikachu up. I'm gonna put this one off to the side, I'm gonna sleeve that one up in a second. Darumkunka, ooh, another EX, see the Zoroark? So Pokemon is definitely reusing or recycling artwork when it comes to some of these cards, but we have the Zoroark EX, so far 2 EXs out of all these packs. I think we have 3 more packs left. And like I said, that Pikachu artwork is so cool. I mean, I'm obviously not the only one that's a fan of Pikachu. Everybody loves Pikachu. It is probably the most famous Pokemon of all time. But let's keep going here. We have Larry's Dunsparce, Buddy Puffin, Kirlia, Thick Scale, Crocodile. I wonder, is there a Feraligatr card? We'll check back in the booklet, because Feraligatr is one of my favorites back in the day. Terrapagos, Miss Magus, and a Psychic. So again, pull rates aren't great right now, but to each their own. So if you're just trying to pull packs to try to make your money back, this might not be the set. Although there was one person that I saw on YouTube Shorts that did open up like 9 packs and they had like 7 pulls. I forget what his name is, but again, shout out to him. Here we go. We have Snom, Scraggy, Larry Starly, Erika's Tangela, Pignite, Carbink, Heliolisk. Ooh, the first pull, that Erika's Tangela. Let's go. Ooh, interesting. So this was actually the first holo. So can I get more? No. Rufflet and Erika's Victory Bell. So an Erika pack. This thing is so pretty. Look at this thing. Wow. Let's get the sleeve for that one, huh? So colorful. Tangela is an OG, part of the 151. Erika, the 4 gym leader. This one does bring back memories for sure. And it's so colorful and pretty with all those flowers right there. Love to see it. Now the last pack of the ETB before we get into the other products. Let's see if we get a little bit of luck here and see what we can go for. But again, I'm not going to put any prices up for anything or at least prices up for the individual cards, because this set is so new that everything's going to be super inflated if it is even available to purchase. But we have Ponard, Team Rocket's Morcargo, Togepi. Like I saw that Pikachu, the one that I was mentioning earlier, not the derpy one, the other one. I saw it on eBay already for like $500. Ooh, Erika's Bellsprout and Terrapagos again. So we had 1 illustration rare, 2 EXs, and of course the promo, plus this beautiful Pikachu that I think just looks so cool. I'm gonna keep this one off to the side, like I said. But let's open up these other 2, because this one's gonna be the one that's available today. Like if you're lucky enough to be able to snag one of these in store, like I said, my local Walmart had a couple of them, and they flew off. They flew off the shelf. But let's open this up and see what we get, because there's a good amount of stuff in here. You do get 3 packs. I believe it's like $15 or $16 retail. So we got that open. You have the Ghastly promo with that cool holo. We can sleeve this one up since it is a promo. Put this one off to the side. Then you have your sticker packs. You have the Ghastly and the Mega Gengar right there. So we got a couple stickers. Give that one to my daughter. But now we have 3 more packs to open. And again, all the artworks on these are exactly the same. And we'll just start to open these and see if we can get any more luck with these cards. And like I said, definitely subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be opening up way more of these products moving forward. And in total, we'll see exactly what our pull rate is. But here we have this Pikachu again. Of course, this is the non-holo version. And we have Skitty, and our Erika's Bellsprout, Rotom, Dragonair, that's a nice little artwork. Mystery Garden. Weevil. Ooh, but a water Weevil. Spectrier. Ooh. Reverse Holo Raichu. And the Kilowattrel. I'm going to put that one next to the other Pikachu. And kind of keep tabs on those. So what are we, 10 packs in with 3 pulls? You do the math on that. I mean, 30%, it's not bad. I think it's pretty normal, right? Like, what did we have for all the other ones back in the day? But let's see, now we have the Roly-Poly. I've never even seen that Pokemon before in my life. This Pikachu keeps popping out of nowhere now. Ghastly, Light Ball. And again, comment down below if you were able to snag this one, the tech sticker. There is another version, I believe. I just forget which one the card is. Spidops, Energy. And we continue on, everybody. Ooh, Larry's Kamala. Dreepy. Chikorita. Helioptile. Staravia. Clefable. Team Rocket's Great Ball. The Light Ball. Dreepy. Wow, that's crazy. Trevenant. Okay. Nothing happening. We're not getting any luck here. It's a good thing we have 2 more packs left for this opening. Let's see, so this one's going to be the Gym Hero. Erica's Tangela leads Gathering Blossoms. This is the Mega Evolution Ascended Heroes Collection Erica. The other one I believe is Larry. So this comes with a coin, Erica's Tangela, and that cool kind of hollow situation. And then 2 packs. I don't know what the retail is on this one, so I'll leave it commented down below for you guys to check out to see how to get your hands on it and what the price point's supposed to be. But again, you have a cool shiny Erica coin. We have 1 pack, 2 packs, and then finally, this one right here. Erica's Tangela in that cool reverse hollow pattern with the sparkle on the border. Very cool. Put it next to the Ghastly. And let's crack these last 2 open, and hopefully we have some good luck at the end here. Because we can't just close out with 1 illustration rare in 14 packs. Come on. Give me something. Give me something. Ready? Here we go. So Team Rocket's Execute. Let's see. Salandit, Chikorita, Night Stretcher, Iris' Fighting Spirit, Camprupt, Mawile, Meditite, Darmanitan. Wow. Nothing. And then last but not least, here we go. Dreepy. We can do this. Chikorita, Helioptile, Night Stretcher, Golduck. That's a cool artwork for Golduck, huh? Boss's Orders. Charmeleon. That's a sick Charmeleon card. Is that our first Charmeleon? I think it is. Here we go. Ooh, that's something. That's something. Could that be our first, what do they call it again? Action? Ooh, Mega Meganium! Let's go! Whoa! Let's go! This card is sick. I'm over here dropping cards left and right. Wow, I mean, look at that thing. So, so cool. Put it up right there for you guys to see. Let's see if there's anything behind. Nope. Interesting. Okay, so it looks like the best pulls are on that 3rd to last slot. Wow. Unbelievable card. Wow. That last pack magic, last pack luck. This looks perfect too. Wow. I might have to send this into tag to get graded. That's so beautiful. Whoa. But that is all the cards that I wanted to open today. We opened 14 packs. We got how many pulls? Let's go back to our pulls here. So we had the secret illustration rare, I think it is, a regular illustration rare, 2 regular EXs, and of course we had the promo, which might be the... Nah, I think the Meganium is cooler. Wow, I'm so excited for this set. We have a bunch of other packs to open. Definitely get subscribed. We have it coming soon. But until next time, I'm Fernando. Comment down below your favorite card of the set, like I showed you guys. But until next time, peace.